Good, how are you?
Pretty good.
Having fun?
Yeah.
Nice crowd here today.
Yeah, really, it's a good crowd. Yesterday was a really good crowd.
Good. The weather's been nice.
Yeah. Really good. A lot better than what it has been.
Yep. I think it's supposed to get hot again this week.
Yeah, it sounds like we're gonna be boy.
Yeah. August, baby.
Yeah, it's here. Had a pretty good year so far. Week or so.
Oh yeah.
Hot weather, really.
There's always something.
Yeah.
That's all good.
Yeah.
Well, give me the 30-second rundown of your machine.
It's a 1919 20-horse Advance, Brumley.
And this is the one we see in Springville, right?
Yep.
At
This is the one.
pull.
This is the one at the tractor
For the
pull.
Spark Show.
For the
Gotcha.
Spark Show. Yep. Pull. Yep.
Good stuff.
Running around 3-4 shows a year.
Okay, how long have you had this?
This one I bought 15 years ago.
Okay. What inspires a man to buy a steam engine?
I think you got to be partially crazy.
Yep, yeah. Well, so it's like having a pulling tractor.
Yeah, about the same thing as pulling tractor. Yeah, no, just I guess I've been around them all my life. So we decided we needed another one.
Yep. No, that's good.
Found this one. Yep.
Well, no, you're the one who sparked my interest on this, so thank you.
Yeah.
I got some good video upstairs of the guys plowing and
Okay.
doing all that stuff. So
You get a good.
yeah, what do the levers all do? So what's each lever do?
So this is the throttle.
Throttle. Okay.
This is the eccentric, which is your forward and reverse lever.
Okay.
And then this is your clutch.
Gotcha. So you've been running the Sawmill all weekend then?
Yeah, we've been running all weekend.
How many steam engines are here?
5.
All the guys up there are trying to invite me to some big one in South Dakota with the Case 150 and the 50 bottom plow or something.
Yeah, there's one out there. I think that's in September.
Yeah, we pull in Windsor, Colorado with Outlaws Labor Day weekend, and that thing's is a weekend later. So.
Weekend later.
But Cole was up there dropping the plow on the gang plow and stuff, so
Yeah.
no, it's neat.
Yeah.
I'm glad I got to swing out and do this. So. How hot is that in there, you think?
That's a coal fire. I'll bet it's a good 1,000 degrees.
1,000 degrees? Yeah.
Run 150 pounds of steam, and as water gets pressurized, the boil point goes up.
Okay.
Pretty sure we should be somewhere right around that 360, 370 degree water temp in there.
Okay. So is it just working a little harder when it pulls like that?
Yeah, when it pulls harder, when he's
sawing,
it gives it more steam.
Because I noticed when they were plowing, it was kind of got some hard dirt and he was going uphill a little bit. You could really hear it start to work. So
the balls up there spinning.
Oh, okay.
That's the governor. Those are the weights.
Gotcha. So that's how it knows if it needs more.
Yeah.
Okay.
We're set at we're running 280 RPMs down here. We're running 550 down on the center of the sawmill.
Okay. And it's the Central City Historical Society that does all this?
Yeah.
Nice.
Brown Farm.
Brown Farm, okay.
Yeah, that's what,
How many acres is this?
I can't
No, that's just curious.
I'm going to say it's 160.
Okay.
Sure.
No, it's pretty neat.
Hopefully they'll get a big log down there here in a bit. They got to
Make it work?
yeah, get rid of those 2 little scrub logs.
Yeah, I saw them doing that on there, so.
Tried to do a little cedar.
Yep. So here's your water. How many gallons does that hold?
This tank and the 2 side tanks up in the front are all tied together. That's my auxiliary water.
Okay.
I'm going to say they're a little bit bigger than a 55-gallon drum, but not much. There's 3 of them.
How long does that last you?
While running, it lasts me a couple hours.
Okay.
Depending how hard I'm
Pushing it?
Pushing it, yeah. We're pushing hard on a sawmill. So this is a siphon, and we can suck right off with steam. We can suck water right off a pond, or we can suck right off the water tank. And we'll run about 1,000 gallons in a day, running pretty hard on it.
Nice. Well, I'm going to keep moving.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
All right, yeah, no problem.
Let's get in touch about snowmobiles this winter.
And if you want to get down there, you can get right up there with me.
Okay.
Matt, the tall one running
Yep.
the lever, that's Matt Berkey, and he knows you're down there.
Okay.
Tap him and he gets you right up there by the lever.
Okay. Awesome. Thanks, Johnny.